How to make battery-level animation in DaVinci Resolve. Right-click in the Media pool and select New Fusion Composition. Double-click on the composition to open it on the Fusion page. Add a background node and a rectangle node and connect them to each other and to Media Out. Select the background and change its color to white. Select the rectangle. In the inspector, uncheck Solid checkbox and increase border width a little. And adjust its size, then increase corner radius. Add another background node and rectangle node and connect them to each other. Connect the output of first background to the output of the new background to merge them. Connect the merge node to the media out to remove the current connection and make a new one. Select the background and change its color to green. Select the rectangle, adjust its size, and move it to the bottom. Select background 2 node, press Shift plus space, search for duplicate, and add it. Set number of copies to 25 and increase center Y a little bit. Move the playhead to the start, and click on diamond button next to copies to add a starting keyframe. Move the playhead to frame 60 and set copies to 0 to add another keyframe. Select duplicate node, press Shift plus space, search for color corrector, and add it. Move the playhead to the start, and click on diamond button next to color wheel. Move the playhead to frame 60 and drag it toward a red color to add another keyframe. Open up Spline panel and check both duplicate and color corrector checkboxes. Click on this button to see all the keyframes. Click on this button to select all the keyframes. Click on this button to make animation ping pong. Go back to the edit page and drag the composition into timeline.